this is CAD. I've imported a template that I've made preempt this project, and here I will construct the part that I built in 3D Builder on another monitor where I'll be taking measurements across. So, first, let me just check to see my layers. Yes, I've got all my layers. I'm in drawing layer, and then let me build up to the first part. So it's 40. Oh, 40. Oh, I made the same mistake again because I'm used to SolidWorks. So 40 by 40. And then it had an inside of, let me take my measurement, as an inside of 3.8, so an offset. So if I go select all my objects, offset, and then 3.8, trim TR, trim the unwanted lines, and then it has a hole that is 11.6 mil from the left side, so this is on its bottom face really. Well, no, bottom facing towards me. Right, so 11.6, and then offset. How big is the hole? It is 16.8. Oh, offset. Offset 16.8. There we go. These are actually hidden lines, so just change these to hidden. And there's the top view done. Then we go down. I need these to be equal spacing, so 40. And then we just mimic this. So this is the side view. So 40 by 40 cube. 40, 40. Okay. That went weird. I'm just gonna do it quick and simple this way. This is a side view. So this is up by 16.6. And then it's in by 3 by, well, the offset of this, so I can find that line. There we go. And then the diameter is how big this is here. So 16.68, sorry. 16.8. That's how big that is. Offset 3.8. Trim. Looks like small. trim, make these hidden lines. Drawing hidden, because that's on the inside. Get rid of this line, and now we do the front view, which is just going to give it equal distance in 40 by 40, 40, 40, and there we go. And then from here, since it's all in line, I can easily just draw across. These are semi-construction lines, not red though, not true, but I'm going to get rid of them. So done with them. See how wide that is, 11.6, so that's 11.6 there. A bit halfway, so 16.8. Put that there. There's our circle. And then I've got to do the inside. So offset 1.8, so it's already there, preset. Select them all, trim, and make them all hidden on the inside. Hidden. Oh no, that one doesn't need to be hidden. There we go. Right, so there's our three views. There'll be an isometric view, which is 30 degrees. So we want it on the left plane. So 40 by 40 by 40, 40, 40, 40, across, this down, get the center, 3.8, 3.8, I can't offset this because it offsets the entire line and does not give you the isometric view. It just offsets it in normal axis and not isometric view axis. So here we go. Down there, this one down here, so 11.6 on this here, so 11.6 and 6.6 on the top, 6.6, 6, 5. Not in the center, is it? So 10 points. Let me just do that right. 20. And then 6.6 on the top. So this is no. EL. And then I for isometric circle, and then drag up, and then to get the full, finish this off, 2.8, and then just copy this, and there, and then drag it there, bring that here. I need to try and get this so you can see the line on the inside. So 40 and then to there. Get rid of those two lines. Just trim the entire thing down. Get rid of that one, that one, that one, that one, that one. And there's the isometric view. Now we add dimensions and annotations. Annotations are like centers, so the center of the circle. And dimensions are the green bars, which I'll now add. Give you the measurements of each and everything. So go change the layout of the ink. The 40. Top, so this will be 40 here, and then the center up here is 20, so we know that's 20 on. And then from here we want to know the thickness of this one, so 3.8, and so we've got 40, 40, 3.8, and the diameter of this, so it's 16.8. And then we want to know the height of this as well. So we want to do from the center point here. So if I've got, so we know it's 16.6, but there we go, so it's wrong. 6.6, right? Or 16.6. Get that. Oh no, sorry. Well, the center of it. So go back to drawing. You get this one out. There we go. Center point of that. So it's 15 center. Now I need to recheck that because that might be wrong. Maybe. This is why. Only drawing here, so 15, 20, so you see it's wrong, yeah. But now I know. I get that, oh. The isometric doesn't need to be perfect anyways, because it's just a representative view of what the object is supposed to look like. Actually, I need to give a measurement 16.8. See, isometric view is a little bit funky as well. So that's why it's not, you can't get an accurate view of it in CAD at least. In SolidWorks you'll get an accurate one, but here in CAD you've just got to make it close to as possible really. That's the top. So just get rid of that and do it as I originally was going to do it, but yeah, so we'll just have it so it's a little bit better now. Uh, 3.8, copy this, get this one done, copy the center. Escape, get rid of this one, and this one, and trim again. So now that should be close enough to, oh yeah, so the other one is ridiculous. So now we annotate, so we know how high it is, we know from the sides there, from these two. We know the diameter and we know the thickness of the inside. So now we need to make this appropriate so we know that it is a hole that goes through that wall. So to do this, we want to change our layers to center so it stands out just like that. And apparently it didn't work, so we need to get rid of that. Maybe it's because my original layer is on drawing. Yep. Center. And there we go. And then center these two. So center mark is for circular, center line is for lines that are parallel, usually parallel to each other, to indicate the hole, and faces, so that, there you go. Alright, so we got the annotated, we've got the dimensions, and it's a demo model really, so we don't really want to add any tolerances on this. We could add tolerances on that, but it's not going to be used for its cosmetics, so and that's that. So once you've done this, as I said earlier on, I pre-made a template for this, which is this. From here, it might have a view already in, yeah. So here, this where you can basically, this view here, this report view, is linked to the model view. And from there you can move, you can edit, slightly edit the from here, but you really don't want to do that because it messes up sometimes. But from here you can, well, you can double click to exit, you can double click to enter, but let's clarify that anyways. From here you can scale the model to fit that page. So you can use scale to fit, which tries to make it snug against the entire thing, so you can see it clear. But usually you want to do it to 1-to-1, which makes things a lot easier to understand. Especially if it's more technical, if you're doing, say, you're doing sectional views and stuff, and you have parts of it saying 3/4 and it's scaled up big and the rest is small, it becomes a little bit more awkward to read off when you have objects not scaled, and it just becomes crazier. So you always want to try and scale these things, these the drawing to a standard so others can read it appropriately, and it becomes a lot easier for people who, you know, have no clue what technical drawing is about, and they can just follow the measurements and go and then they can just measure it off the page. It just becomes easier for everyone. So from here you've got the sheet tile and everything. The tile block, you fill that out to match the drawing. So the title is what the drawing is. I've got a demo. This is going to be called demo because it's demo object. And then you've got the projection. So it's in third view projection, which is the little symbol in the projection box on the tile block. This is basically top view, side view, front view, and then usually you'll have an isometric view which to show the drawing itself. And then you've got the scaling, which indicates the scale of the objects, and the rest is the name, date, APD, and then you've got the additional information as well, if to specifics. So for me, I'm on the HNC course, Design Mechatronics, and I need to include that in there, and the year of the course, and I've got the drawing, the size of the piece of paper, so in case it's submitted online, and then you've got the material. You can change that if you want, you can put a description or notes, and then you've got the measurement, which is what the technical drawing is in, so what your drawing measurements are, because on the dimensions it doesn't show it usually, so it's easier to, it's better off putting it in the table of contents or the tile block, so people can clarify, oh yes, it's in millimeters or it's in inches and stuff, and then you've got the reference number. But that's and this is CAD. So